Okay.
Rabies or hydrophobia, we know it's a 100% fatal disease, so we must manage the patients bitten by susceptible rabies animals with profound care. So, what are the steps of rabies post exposure prophylaxis? All the bites, licks, and scratches given by warm blooded mammals like dogs, cow, horse, monkey, tiger, leopard, cheetah, fox, all mammals we should give post exposure prophylaxis. First step is wash the wound with copious amount of water and soap. Second is give tetanus toxoid. Third is give Rabipur 5 doses. Most important is post exposure anti-rabies immunoglobulins. There is no difference in the treatment of class 1, class 2, class 3 bites. Give it on all types of wound. Three types of rabies immunoglobulin are available in the market. Best is anti-rabies monoclonal antibodies, that is Rabies Shield, 3.3 units per kg body weight. Second best is anti-rabies human immunoglobulin. It is to be given 20 units per kg body weight. Third is equine anti-rabies immunoglobulin. It is to be given 40 units per kg body weight. For equine immunoglobulin, we have to do sensitivity test. Inject as much as possible around the wound. Rest IM. So, very simple. Wash the wound, give tetanus toxoid, give Rabipur, give one of the three anti-rabies immunoglobulin, and your patients will be safe. Thank you.